प्रिंगल्स खाता हूँ दबा के, चॉकलेट भी खाता हूँ, मैं मूवी देखने जाता हूँ, पॉपकॉर्न भी खाता हूँ. I just train really hard, and I'm not that strict with my diet. I'm not.
Finally, season 3 of Andekhi, and as you know, people are raving about it. The audience is loving, and I'm sure you must also be getting the reaction. How does it feel?
Yes. Okay. So it feels overwhelmed. I've seen मतलब मैं 1000 बार ये बात बोल चुका हूँ और बोलते भी थकता नहीं हूँ, हजारवीं बार भी कि बहुत ज्यादा ओवरवेल्म फील होता है when you put in so much hard work, when you work as a team on something that you believe in, and then it comes out and everybody around you loves it and gives so much love and respect. I don't know. That's why we work for. Honestly, that's the one of the main reasons we work for. So it feels very good. It feels
So
happy.
this season of Andekhi got to see
Yeah.
a new side of Lucky Paji. You know, there were more emotions, and you got a love story as well. The
Yeah.
audience is quite loving it. But
Yeah.
how do you feel?
Of course, I'm very grateful for like the writers and the director. I am so thankful that every season there is a new color to and there's a new shade to Lucky. And this season is no different. And this season you can see a completely different side of Lucky. And because I said it earlier also that he falls in love for the first time in a way. So he doesn't know what to do, how to behave in front of a woman, right? Who he has fallen for. So a very innocent side comes out, which is such interesting to see. That you see this guy who's this ruthless guy, and then suddenly he doesn't know what to say or how to speak or how to behave. So it was a very innocent side, as I said, came out, and it was very fun playing that.
We see that there is a very special bond between Lucky Paji and Rinku Paji. I would like to ask you, like, how is it in real life between you and Rinku Paji, Surya Sharma?
We are like brothers. We are like genuinely brothers. I was there for his wedding. There were very few friends he called, and I was one of them. So that tells you all that I share a pretty strong bond with him. And I absolutely enjoy working with him. I'm very happy. Like a lot of people have asked me that, are you guys brothers? You know, yeah, because but I share a very good bond. So that is a testament to our work together. That people think that, acha, these guys are related, or you actually feel like brothers. So off screen, I can tell you, we are very close. I share a great bond with him. I have, yeah.
Is there any his quality that you can relate with him, or you find amusing and different from the other villains that have been played on screen earlier?
His loyalty. He's extremely loyal. You can't break his loyalty. You can't buy his loyalty. If he loves you as a family, if he thinks you as a family, he will do anything for his family, which he has in all these seasons. He has. Every time he proves that he is like, yeah, his loyalty, I feel, is one quality that I feel that is. I will not say that I love it, but I would surely say that I can respect it. The quality that I hate, um, that's actually a very good question. That which quality I don't like about him. Uh, of course, his decisions are really bad, but because I feel that his thought and his intention is right. In his mind, he is correct. कोई अपने माइंड में ये नहीं सोचता कि मैं विलन हूँ. उसके दिमाग में वो हीरो है. Hero नहीं as in like जो वो कर रहा है वो सही कर रहा है. So the quality that he kills people, man. I think the most easiest way to answer that question, that he kills people, that I don't like that quality.
So there was like a big gap between the first season and the second season, and then the second and the third. Do you
Correct.
think when such gaps are there in between the seasons, does it affect the intensity of an actor?
But that's a very good question. Again, actually, you are completely right. What happens is that especially when you are working with a show like Andekhi, like when I did season 1, I personally thought that I had one of the best experiences of my life, you know. And far the best professional experience of my life, of course, but one of the best experiences of my life also. It was that good. And when you are with working with Ashish Shukla, the director, the whole team, the production, these phenomenal actors, and you're shooting in Manali, that doesn't happen every day. So when you leave from there, you have this uh, phenomenal experience with you, right? And as you said, you're in form. So how I see that is that you are so charged up in the best way possible that you feel that you can do anything in a good way. That you are ready for challenges, and then suddenly there is a stop, and you don't have work for a month or two. It gets unnerving. It gets little weird. But then what happened was, first I went into that dip, and then the way to come out of it is that you work on yourself. It is difficult. It is very difficult, but it is also, if you love it, then it's not. I mean, you read a lot, you should watch movies. As an actor, I can say you should work on your craft 100%. You should prepare monologues, give auditions, call people, ask them about if there is any job possibility or all of that. Yeah.
Okay, so talking about your whole journey till now, like how did your journey start and how has it been till now?
Right now, when I'm sitting, I've been a part of a show which has done 3 seasons. Of course, I feel phenomenal. I feel absolute. I don't know how I feel. I just said phenomenal. I feel phenomenal, but I don't know when it happens. It's still settling in. कि शो चल गया है, हिट हो गया है, बहुत लोग देख रहे हैं, तो ये थोड़ा टाइम लगता है एडजस्ट होने में कि अच्छा वाओ यार, आई एम हैप्पी. बट द जर्नी नेवर स्टॉप्स. ऐसा नहीं होता है. That's what I was coming to. It doesn't happen कि you be a part of a big show and then suddenly everything is fine. You still need to pick up the phone and call people, but of course now people know you, so it's a bit easy. You can call up casting directors who have seen your work and who is aware of you, so that helps. I will not deny that. But apart from that, how my journey began was I was just a normal kid like any other kid who came with a lot of dreams to be a professional actor in this industry. And I studied to be a professional actor in a film school. I studied pretty hard. And I came out, of course, like everybody else, जैसे सबकी journey है. It's not easy, it's not roses. But those wonderful struggles make you strong. Like अगर बारिश हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा, स्पेशली बॉम्बे में, आप फिर भी ऑडिशन अगर देने जाओ ऐसी जगहों पे जहाँ आपको लगता है कि तो आज कोई नहीं आएगा, तो ऐसी जगहों पे भी मतलब it's in one line, it's never easy. At least it wasn't for me. To get Andekhi also was a like till the time I got Andekhi, it's a lot of stress. I always wanted to study cinema. I wanted to study films. I wanted to study filmmaking. That's why, and वो भी always नहीं है. I decided in 3 days that I wanted to study cinema, and I came to Whistling Woods, and मैंने बोला कि चलो पढ़ते हैं. And while I was studying in Whistling Woods, I fell in love with acting. Yeah, that's what happened.
Okay, so apart from acting, we have seen your social media handle and it's filled with, inspirational fitness posts. You do, gymming, you are doing skipping, boxing. So for your fans, who are into fitness or who want to be into fitness or who get inspired by you, would you like to share your routine with them?
First of all, I would say that anybody can do it because I was extremely overweight. I was 100 kgs. I was a fat kid. Yeah. And I think that fat kid is still alive in me. इसलिए मैं अगर कुछ खाता हूँ तो मैं अभी भागने चले जाता हूँ. But and now it's become a part of me. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे oh my god ये करना है. मतलब gym is like, or fitness is a better space. Fitness is a part of my life now. It comes in my routine. Like you get up, you go train, you come back, you do your stuff. And it is nothing to do, of course, it's to do with how you look a little bit, but it is more to do with how you feel. I promise you, whoever that person may be, anybody who wants to join a gym, when you come out of that gym, You will be lying to me if you tell me that I didn't have fun today. I mean, it's basic science. You will have such a good time. And why don't you want to have a good time? Why don't you want to feel happy and positive and energetic? You know, I am vegan, 90% plant based. I would say I was vegan, but it's a little tough to be a vegan. But it was no religious reasons, nothing. It's a different story for a different time. But being vegan is. Yeah, it's helped me a lot. I feel so light. So it's not a particular diet. I'll be honest with you. मैं Pringles खाता हूँ, तबाक है. And मैं chocolate भी खाता हूँ. मैं movie देखने जाता हूँ. Popcorn भी खाता हूँ. I just train really hard. And I'm not that strict with my diet. I'm not. Honestly, बहुत तो सब खाओ. अब कल को कोई केक खा रहा होता है तो मैं देख के उसको अपना मन नहीं मार सकता. मैं जाके वहाँ पे मुंह मारूंगा, अपना मन मत मारो. I don't know. I wish I'm not even on the liberty to say something, so I will not say it. But season 4 शायद आएगा and अच्छा आएगा. Hopefully, things. Right now, we are just enjoying the success of season 3. I'm just overly over the moon, you know. But because ये show इतना ज़्यादा beloved है, so there is a big possibility that you will see another season. And I don't know how that season is going to turn up, but I'm sure it's going to be something very big.